Hello everyone, this is Meenakshi Rana and today I am going to tell you about botanical gardens. Botanical gardens are characterized by the collection of different types of flora, trees and plants. Not only you can get their entire scientific information but also obtain their biological names. The speciality of these gardens is all the plants are grown adhering to the scientific principles, thus enhancing their beauty. India is full of natural beauty and has hundreds of botanical gardens across the country. Here is the list of top 10 botanical gardens in India. We will start from Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Indian Botanical Garden. The largest botanical garden of India is Indian Botanical Garden, situated in Shivpur, Calcutta. The gardens exhibit a wide variety of plants and a total collection of over 12,000 specimens spread over 109 hectares. It has enormous collections of orchids, bamboos, palms and the great banyan tree. Second one is National Botanical Garden, Lucknow. The National Botanical Garden inside the National Botanical Research Institute. It is situated in the heart of Lucknow and established in 1789 by the Emperor Nawab Sadat Ali Khan. It was later converted into a botanical garden in 1948. The main garden covers an area of 30 hectares. It is famous for palm house, fern house, cactus house, orchid house, orchards of mango, guava, etc. Now third one is Lloyd Botanical Garden, Darjeeling. This garden is elevated in its beauty and attraction because of its location that is encompassed by the alluring Himalayas. The flora collection comprises of different varieties from Sikkim. Mr. Lloyd donated this land for creating this garden, hence it was named after him. It has more than 46 orchids. A cactus house is consisting of more than 40 cactus species. It contains very rare plant species that are carrying ethnomedicinal importance. At number 4, we have the Lal Bagh Botanical Garden, Bengaluru. It is the second largest botanical garden of India and is one of the biggest gardens in Bengaluru. There are many varieties of trees and plants. The garden itself is spread over an area of 240 acres and its construction was commissioned by the famous ruler Hyder Ali in 1760. Then fifth one is Botanical Garden Saharanpur. It is located in Uttar Pradesh and also known as the Company Garden and one of the oldest existing gardens in India, dating to before 1750. It was an initiative of the British East India Company. In 1887, when the Botanical Survey of India was established, Saharanpur became the center for the survey to study and maintain the flora and fauna of the region. Then comes Garden of Indian Agriculture Research Institute, New Delhi. It occupies an area 60 acres and is maintained mainly as an experimental garden of the institute. The Indian Agricultural Research Institute, commonly known as the Pusa Institute, is India's national institute for agricultural research, education and extension. The name Pusa Institute is derived from the fact that the institute was originally located in Pusa, Bihar, at the Imperial Institute of Agriculture Research in 1911. Now seventh one is Government Botanical Gardens. The Botanical Garden is one of the famous sightseeing spots in Ooty. This 55-hectare garden lies on the lower slopes of the Doda Beta Peak. It is close to the city center. In the 1840s, the Marquis of Tweedale designed the initial layout of the garden, and it was completed by 1848. The garden have around 1,000 species, both exotic and indigenous, of plants, shrubs, ferns, trees, herbal and bonsai plants. In the center of the gardens lie a fossilized tree trunk estimated to be 20 million years old. The next one, Botanical Garden of Forest Research Institute, Dehradun. This garden was established at Dehradun, Uttarakhand in 1934 by C.E. Parkinson. It covers an area of 20 acres and it is the major center of research in problems related to plant introduction. It now has about 700 different species of plants from different countries of the world. It also has a large herbarium attached with it. Then comes Jawaharlal Nehru Botanical Garden, Gangtok. The Jawaharlal Nehru Botanical Gardens and Institute of Research, renamed after of first Prime Minister Shri Jawaharlal Nehru. It is located near Rumtek Monastery in Sikkim. You will be enchanted by the lush greenery, the colorful flowers and thick oak forest. More than 50 different species of trees are present inside the garden. The garden also has a greenhouse where different types of orchids are grown. Now last one is the Kotla Vijay Bhaskar Reddy Botanical Garden. It is also known as Hyderabad Botanical Garden. Is located in Kothaguda, Kondapur, Hi-Tech City, Hyderabad. It was developed by the Telangana Forest Department and is near the Hi-Tech City, Madhopur, 16 kilometers far from Hyderabad. The garden is spread over 274 acres. In July 2018, Telangana Minister K.T. Rama Rao inaugurated the newly developed recreational facilities at the botanical gardens such as Nakshatra Vanam, Rashi Vanam and Navgraha Vanam. So, these were the top 10 botanical gardens of India. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Have a good day.